Hey guys, so today I want to go in and show you guys a trick that you can do to make your life a little bit simpler with code and with LinkedIn. So nowadays we usually use LinkedIn to go find ourselves our new job or connect with other people or recruiters. So what we usually do, we come into LinkedIn, go to My Network, and you start just clicking connect, connect, connect. And you can do this for as long as you want. And the more connections you have, more chances you have of finding a job. Problem is it's the time consuming coming in, clicking connect, 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 all these different people. But what if we could take some code to help make our lives better? So let's start off with that. We know we're going to click these connect buttons in order to follow someone. So let's go ahead and inspect this. And what we have here is it is in a button with a span tag with the content of connect. So let's see if we can go ahead and latch onto this. Let's see if we got a quick shortcut here. They do have jQuery on the page. Quick way to do that is type question mark or jQuery. Let's see here, jQuery. Okay, I got jQuery. So let's write a little function here that will let us connect or target this. And that is, it's a button. So we're going to go $sign button data.control name equals invite. Let's see what that was attaching to. Let's back into this again. Right here, data control name equals invite. That's what we want. Great. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that we get the span first child right here. Actually, I don't think we need to get the span anymore, so this will work. We'll try it. So let's highlight this guy and do dot length on him, just see how many we get. Okay, come back to the console here. We should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-ish. 5. Cool. So we selected those 5. All right, let's go ahead and make it so it clicks the first one. So this is returning back an array. So we're going to do 0. So that should be the first guy. Do that. Good. And let's do dot click. And if that works, then you should go away. Cool. All right, so we wrote some code that will click the first person. That's excellent. So what happens if we get rid of the 0 here? It will follow everyone. Hey, that alone makes it a little bit quicker. But there is this thing with LinkedIn that's kind of nice. Let's go ahead and refresh this page. I'll show you. Is that they actually have forever scroll implemented here. So if you notice the scroll bar, it stops right here. But as we scroll down, it's going to start loading more and more people. Well, we could take advantage of this. We could just scroll like this and then do the same trick we just did and follow a lot of people. But we don't want to blast LinkedIn server. We want to take it a little bit slower on them because you could get flagged as spamming their system, and we don't want to do that. We're just trying to simplify our lives and have it auto-click a bunch of these connects for us. We're not trying to spam them. So how can we do that? How can we automate this scrolling? So let's go ahead and I will show you a way to do that. So if you come here, let's write in this. We're going to do a var scroll loop, something to hold our interval, equals set interval. My word. And then that takes a function. And what we're going to do is do window dot scroll to 0, meaning the bottom of the page. And we're going to get document dot body dot scroll height. That says, all right, scroll to the very bottom, and we're good. All right, and we have this in an interval, so let's have it do it every 500 milliseconds. Okay, actually, let's just copy this. let's see how that works. We're here, paste this in, go. Sweet. So that's going to auto scroll down for us. All right, but that's going to go on forever, so we don't want that to happen. So let's refresh. Okay, cool. We actually want this to go to a set spot. We don't want this to go forever because that's not good. Once again, you're hitting their servers too much by making these client requests. So let's specify how far we want to go down. So we're going to come in here and let's take this guy. I'm going to go if that length right there is greater than or equal to, and then we'll say people to follow, or people to connect, people to connect. So if it is that much, we're going to have it do clear interval, and we're going to put a scroll loop in, just like that. Okay, so let's do people to connect equals, I don't know, let's just do 20 starting off, just to see how this works. There's a bar right there. Okay. So supposedly after we follow, or it goes down to 20, it should stop. And it stopped. Excellent. Okay. So now we want to follow all these people, but we don't want to shotgun them, just auto blast out to all of them. So what we're going to do is we can do another loop inside of here that once it's good and it clears, we can loop follow people. So we're going to make a new one called the var connect loop. It's connecting, we're not following. Connect loop equals, and we're going to do set interval and throw it into a function here like this. And we're going to take, actually what we want to do, let's capture this now, which we can clean this up too. No, nope, not inside there. So let's go connect list, connect, actually let's do a connect array. Okay, so now we have reference to this. And we're going to go, alright, cool. So we got that list. And what we're going to do is we're going to have to start looping through this. So we're going to use a set interval as kind of a for loop, but that's a timed for loop. So let's do an index var index. And we're going to start ourselves off at 0. And then we're going to do our loop here, which is pretty simple. So we're going to take our connect array, and we're going to follow the person at the index like that. Index, and we're going to do dot click. Alright, and then after it does that, it's going to go index plus plus. Alright, good. Now what we want to do is we want to actually clear this interval if we max out. So we're going to do clear interval, connect loop. We're going to wrap this in an if statement. If the index is greater than or equal to our connect array dot length. Perfect. If that's true, we're going to clear this array out, or this loop out. Okay, so we got all that fun stuff in there. And just for fun, let's throw an alert here, just to let us know. And say, done connecting. Awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and, well, we need to give this a time too. So once again, we don't want it blasting off every milliseconds. So let's space it out to, I don't know, something more human-like. So a second and a half. It's about how fast we can click down those things. Okay. I think that will work. Let's give it a shot. Okay. If not, we will find out really quickly. So we'll go paste and go. All right, let's check. All right, looks like we're following people. There we go. We got one error of 409. I'm going to check out what that is. We might be clicking too quickly. But it looks like it's working. Okay, excellent. So that is a very simple way to automate your life a little bit better. So this is going to go through and keep clicking. So we probably shouldn't have done 20, but there we go. It's done connecting. So that's a simple way to write a little function that will automate your life yeah, make things a little bit simpler for you. I'm going to clean this code up and have a better version for you, but I hope you guys enjoy this, and please subscribe. I'll be putting up some more coding help that will make your life better online. See ya.